Here's the TBS Discovery frame. Just wanted to post a little video, something up close. You can kind of check it out. There's a lot of pictures and stuff, but figured I'd kind of run through it and just do a little recap on what I've got here. Well, this is the TBS frame. So you can tell it's a spider frame. You can kind of see how those arms are situated. Spreads it out, gets that prop out of the view there. Brings the weight back a little bit. I use all immersion gear. Everything I buy from Ready Made RC, hands down, you're not going to find better customer service, better selection. Tim and Dave there, I mean, just can't say enough. If you're looking to get into it, check them out. I'm obviously using the NASA controller, and I've got my compass here, flat mounted. I like that low profile. Yeah, everything's very, very low. Okay, I'm using all the DJI ESCs. I am using Tiger motors, so get a close up here using the 900 kV T motors. Great motors. Using all 9-inch Graupner props, of course, here. I do have the GoPro Hero 2 right now. That is my FPV cam. I have a TBS 69. Did not come with screws. Been looking for the M2x3s, tried a couple. They went through the holes. They didn't have the correct top, so still playing with that. A little irritating on that, but it is what it is. No big deal. I'm just going to have to keep searching before I can actually utilize the cam that I spent 169 bucks on. Got the VU mounted here on the side. That way you can see it. You know, I'm not worried about putting it on the bottom like a lot of people. Not that big of a deal, especially when I'm flying FPV. Not looking at it anyways. So, I'm using S-Bus here. So you can see the Futaba S-Bus cable did a nice 20 gauge down there. That way I don't have to do any more soldering on the board. Figured I'd keep it as simple as possible, and it's not going to do anything different. So, kind of look from the back here. This is a little antenna mount that I made. Wanted to make it have a nice high 90 on here. Basically, it's a CD case. Heated up, bent, drilled a couple holes, put a couple zip ties through it, and heated up some antenna tubes, and there you go. So it's nice and solid, keeps it in place. You can see the NASA controller down there. Flip this up here. That way you can get kind of a look on this frame. This right here is going to be your center of gravity. This little indicator here. You know, technically everybody's going to tell you 10 to 15 centimeters before in front of it is going to be actual center of gravity. I'm at 15 centimeters in front of that marking. That's center of gravity. So just want to kind of show it off a little bit, check it out. And there's a lot of pictures, but not a whole lot of kind of little walkthroughs where you can kind of check things out and see what's being used and run. And this is kind of my choice and my selection, and so far it's been outstanding. So if you're looking to get into to a different frame and you want to get something that you can get a little more aggressive with, TBS Discovery frame, honestly love it.